Oh, there it is. It's recording now. You can talk, it records your voice too.
Oh, okay. The shingles on top of the roof on that corner of the house, on that corner and along where the awning was ripped out, have to be replaced. It's a layover on the shingles. The second roof was a layover on top of the first roof. All you have to do is replace the shingles back on there again. And if you could see the side of the house where I'm both videoing right now, this part here, where is it? I can't see it now.
Huh?
Oh, there it is. Okay. All along the house is where it was ripped out, and you can see it. It's all along where the awning once was. This is all along the side of the house where the awning once was. I need this part right here repaired. How come it's got a picture of a back too? Okay, this part of the house needs to be repaired. The wood under it has to be replaced. How come it's got two pictures going?
It's not.
It isn't? Oh, right there. You see right here, this is the part where I wanted to replace here, the wood. And over here is the roof, the awning itself that blew off. I need that to be taken out and disposed of. But along this, we'll get in. Oh, right here along this part of the roof, there's a piece of wood that I want replaced underneath the cover here of the roof. You can see that needs to be replaced. And I'm going to show you another project on the other side of the house. Okay, this part here where the door is at, I need to have after you install the wood up above again and put a new gutter in, I wanted a covering for the door entrance. I need you to build one there. It has to be, I need it covered around that door. I wanted even if you hook it right around it, a little further out, and build a covering from the roof and the awning for the gutter that you're going to be replacing there. This got to.
As long as you don't touch anything, it's recording.
Okay, right there. I wanted around the door, around the steps here, I wanted a whole new covering, but only the steps I need covering. I need a roof over that part of and the driveway will be intact. And these stems here from the awning I need replaced, are pulled out, taken out. And I'm going to show you another part. The gutter system here has to be replaced. As you can see, the gutter was going up there. That has to replace all the way down to the other end.